data scientist role. Is that still a thing, or has it kind of dissolved into these more specific engineering roles?
It's definitely still a thing, but it's also evolving. What we're seeing is many data scientists are specializing. They're diving really deep into particular business domains or specific advanced techniques to solve very targeted problems. And that specialization, it often leads to higher pay precisely because that niche expertise is so valuable.
How do they generally differ from the MLEs, AI engineers we just talked about?
Fundamentally, data scientists use analytical methods and tools to pull insights and knowledge out of data. Their job often starts earlier in the process, figuring out if the right data even exists. Is it useful? Then collecting it, cleaning it, often dealing with really messy, unstructured stuff, initially categorizing it, and then doing deep analysis. A core part of their work is developing, validating, and refining algorithms and models. This might include machine learning models for things like classification or prediction. They spend a lot of time testing model accuracy and reliability and updating them as new data comes in.
And how do they share what they find? How do they influence decisions?
That's a key skill, translating complex analysis into clear, actionable insights for everyone, technical colleagues and non-technical business leaders. They rely heavily on data visualization, creating charts, graphs, dashboards to present their findings effectively. The goal is often to make data-driven recommendations that guide business strategy.
Who's wrangling all the data needed to feed them? That sounds like a huge job in itself.
That's exactly where the data engineer fits in. Think of them as the architects, the custodians of an organization's data infrastructure. They build and maintain the systems for collecting data, storing it, processing it, and, crucially, making it accessible. They basically build the data highways and the plumbing. You could say they're the absolute backbone supporting any data-driven company.
Right. So what are their main tasks on a typical day?
It really boils down to data management. They're designing, building, and maintaining robust databases, data architectures, and especially data pipelines. These pipelines are critical for pulling in large amounts of raw data from all sorts of sources and then processing it. A huge part of their job is getting that data ready for data scientists and analysts, making sure it's clean, accurate, usable. This involves everything from spotting inconsistencies to building automated workflows to clean and reshape the data.
So a lot of behind-the-scenes work to make the data useful.
A ton. You'll see them heavily involved in ETL extract, transform, load, or sometimes ELT processes, extracting data, transforming it into the right format, loading it into data warehouses or other systems. They have to merge data from different places, check it, parse it, clean it. There's a lot of coding involved, often focused on making things efficient and scalable. They build optimized data stores for analysis and set up ways to serve that data reliably.
Do they mostly work alone, or is it collaborative?
Oh, definitely collaborative. It has to be. They work very closely with business analysts, IT teams, software developers, and especially data scientists to really understand what data is needed and then build the right infrastructure to deliver it effectively.